Hello guys, MU PhD History Answer Key. First question: which of the following building was not the part of Imperial Township of Siri built by Alauddin Khilji? Answer A. Second, who built Jahangiri Mahal in Agra Fort? Answer C. Akbar. Question number third. At the time of British decision to quit India, the British Prime Minister was? Answer B. Question number 4. A modern historian who put forward the theory of Noor Jahan Jonta is a? Answer C. Beni Prasad. Question 5. Which of the following option given below is not correct in construct of Mughal coins? Answer D. Question number 6. At the time of Aurangzeb's death, his wazir was? Answer D. Asad Khan. Question 7. Aurangzeb's son who succeeded him was? Answer B. Next question. In which year Shivaji planned the invasion of Karnataka, which was considered land of gold? Answer C. Next question. Who among the following later Mughal noble encouraged ijara or revenue farming? Answer A. Zulfikar Khan. Next question. Safdarjung was appointed Wazir of the Mughal Empire by? Answer C. Next question. The corrupt Dalwai Prime Minister of Mysore state who had usurped the real power and reduced the Udayyar king into a mere titular head was? Answer D. Hyder Ali. Question number 12. Who among the following was the editor of Amrit Bazar Patrika? Answer A. Motilal Ghosh. 13. The successor state of Awadh was founded by? Answer B. 14. आंसर ए. पावना मूवमेंट जो शुरू हुआ था 1873 में, और तिबाका मूवमेंट, खेदा मूवमेंट 1918, मोपला रिबेलियन जो शुरू हुआ था वे हुआ था 1921 केरला में. इसका सही ऑर्डर है ए 1342. Question number 15. The Atmiya Sabha was founded in Calcutta in 1815 by? Answer D. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Question 16. From which of the following place peasant once told a British collector that they were growing cotton simply because they could not eat it? Answer D. Question 17. The Nehru report was drafted by Motilal Nehru and answer D. Tej Bahadur Sapru. Next question. The Bhudan movement was related to which of the following? Answer B. Next question. A lady who moved a resolution at the Congress session in 1907 demanding equal eligibility for voting right for both men and women are? Answer C. Sarla Devi Chaudhrani. Next question. The slogan "Do or Die" was given by Gandhi during the? Answer C. Quit India movement. Next question. Which river in Rigveda is known as Nadi Tama? Answer B. Next question 22. which scholars suggested that script of Indus Valley civilization had the grammar of Dravidian? Answer D. Next question. Who was the 23rd Tirthankara who hailed from Banaras and earliest teaching of attached to him? Answer D. 24. The Maurya officer Panayadaksha was the in charge of. Answer A. Commerce and market. 25. The Brahmi script was deciphered in 1837 by. Answer C. James Prinsep. 26. Which of the following Sangam literature refer to the five-fold division of land? Answer D. 27. Who among the following rulers founded the port city of Puhar? Identify Kaveri. Answer D. Karikala. 28. Which of the following major rock edict mention Chola, Pandya, Satyam, Kalpurastas? Answer B. Second. Major rock edict second. 29. Who among the following historians used the work monk and monarch for the Emperor Ashoka? Answer C. 30. Which among the following temple was not built during the Gupta period? Answer B. 31. Which of the following text referred that Chandragupta disguised in a woman address the Saka king? Answer A. 32. Which of the following pair are correctly matched? First, Minaju Siraj Tabqat Nasiri. Second, Isami Tajul Masir. Third, Samsed Siraj Alfi Tarique Firoz Shah. Fourth, Ziauddin Bardi Fatwaye Jandari. Right answer 1 and 2. 33. Who among the following sultan was known as Quran Khawan? Answer Kutubuddin Aibak. 34. Which among the following was the first insult literature of medieval India? Answer C. Ayaz ए खुसरवी. अमीर खुसरू इसको लिखा था. 35. निजामुल मुल्क जुनैदी was the wazir of. Answer D. Iltutmish. 36. The first Iqta assignment of Iltutmish was that of. Answer Baran या बदायूं. बदायूं भी हो सकता है, न तो बरन. बरन राइट आंसर है. 37. द टर्म खिलात रेफर टू. आंसर रो ऑफ हॉनर्स. सी. 38. द टास्क ऑफ कंक्यूरिंग मलवा वाज असाइंड बाय अलाउद्दीन खिलजी टू. आंसर Jafar Khan. B. 39. The controller of the cloth market during the reign of Alauddin Khilji was known as. Answer Sanae Mandi. 40. Who referred to Redas as saint among saint? Answer C. कबीर. आंसर की है और ये पीएचडी के आंसर की हमने निकाला है. आप लोग मिलाइए कितना सही हो रहा है, कितना गलत हो रहा है. अगर आपका 40 से ज़्यादा नंबर आ रहा है तो आप रिसर्च प्रपोजल बनाने की कोशिश करें और सुपरवाइज़र अच्छा आप अभी से सेलेक्ट करें और पीएचडी में आए। एमयू में सुनहरा मौका है। अब मैंने अपने तरफ से आप लोग के लिए मैं ये आंसर की डिक्लेयर कर दिया है और मैं तैयारी करता हूँ। ये तो मैं सोचा कि किसी की हेल्प हो जाए और आप लोग आंसर की मिलाएं। एक या दो आंसर की गलत हो सकता है और या बाकी सब मेरे तरफ से जितना भी कोशिश किया गया, रिसर्च किए हैं, हम अपने तरफ से क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज करके आंसर की निकाले हैं। इसी के साथ हम अपना वीडियो समाप्त कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।